Why don't we see God? God is everything. God is everything. The reason we don't see him is because he hides. We would see him, but he doesn't let. Why would he do that? It's because if we saw him, we would get very excited, and then we would get over it, because how long can you be excited about something you see? And then our relationship would stop. Then we would lose interest. The Eibishter says, I don't want you to see me. Because if you see me, you'll never understand me. Because you won't bother. If you see me, you won't know me. Because when you look at somebody, you don't get to know them. You only know what they are. Tall, short, skinny, fat. But you won't know who they are. So the Eibishter says, if you see me, you'll be very impressed with how tall I am. I don't want that. I want you to know me, to understand me, to know why I'm creating a world, to know what I want, what I like, what I don't like. If you see me, you'll never find out who I am. So I'm not going to let you see me. You know what that's called? That's called tznius. The Eibishter practices tznius. Tznius means I'm not something you can see with your eyes. I'm something you have to understand and care. If you see, you're going to lose interest. Tznius means there is nothing for you to see. Either get to know me, or I'm not interested in you. That's what tznius means. What does tznius in clothing mean? I don't know. Whatever. What's the difference? 4 inches, 3 inches, 12 inches, who cares? It's not about inches. It's about you. Is there something to know about you, or are you just something to look at? An eye only sees things. Are you a thing, or are you a person? When you dress tznius, you're saying, I'm not a thing, I'm not interested in your seeing me. Either be my friend and get to know me, or leave me alone. Now the truth is, of course, I'm sure you know this, there are some girls who don't dress tznius at all. I mean, really bad. But they are tznius-dike girls. As people, they really are deep, and they don't want to be seen. So why do they dress not tznius? They never thought about it. See, some people dress not tznius, and some people are not tznius. Their personality is not tznius. Some people are very tznius, and they don't know how to dress properly. So the Torah says, if you are tznius, dress tznius.